welcome to Forex Video Hub, and in this video I'm going to share we're going to analyze the market fundamentally for the Monday to Friday, that means 28th April to 2nd May 2025. Okay, so let's get started. And as per that we're just going to analyze the gold news, that means USD news, and as per gold always connected with the USD, so we have to keep our concern on USD news. Okay, USD news. And there is two major thing in USD news, or when you want to go for gold trade, you have to keep your concern on USD news. And there is two major thing in USD news. First of all is positive news, and another one is negative news. And positive news, data come with positive value like green 0.5%, green 245k, and positive value indicate sell for gold. Okay, you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive value gold is on sell? So I will explain that later. And for negative news, data come with negative value like red 0.5%, red 245k, and it indicates buy for gold. Okay, you may ask me, Mr. Boom, why for positive data gold is sell, why for negative data gold is buy? So let's explain. You have to keep your concern to think that number one is gold value is always fixed, that means constant, and USD value is always changeable, that means variable. Okay, and suppose there is two triangle, that means one XAU USD triangle is equal to the USD triangle value is 2500. Okay, so when news come with -5% value, that means negative 5% value, so we have to minus 5% from USD triangle, so it will be smaller than previous, and in that case gold triangle is bigger than USD triangle, so USD negative news we will buy in that case. Okay, same scenario for positive news. Suppose there is plus 5% value will add on gold and add on USD, so in that case USD will be stronger or will be bigger than gold, so in that case sell, that means downfall for gold, that means sell for gold in positive news. Hopefully you understand all things. If you have any query or any doubt about that issue or about that thing or theory or topic, you may comment our Telegram chat, you may comment this video, and or you may connect our admin on Telegram. They will teach you step by step. Okay, and if I go to Forex Factory chart, and as you can see there, there is our forexfactory.com's chart selected already. And Monday we don't have any major or semi-major news. That's where data is blank, and maybe market is going to move sideways if there is nothing happens on the geopolitical issue like Donald Trump and China. If there is no issue, and if there is no issue on Russia and Ukraine and Palestine, and that means Middle East tension, so if there is no issue, market will move sideways. And if there is issue comes there on Monday, market will move down or up. Okay, it depends on data. So we are going to update each and everything on our Telegram channel, so you may join our public Telegram channel, t.me/fxbillionaire, link in the video description below. Okay, and for Tuesday we have one USD major news and two semi-major news. So if data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. Okay, same theory. And in Wednesday we have 4 major news and 2 minor news, that means semi-major news. So if data come with positive value, we will sell gold. If data come with negative value, we will buy gold. If data come with blank, then we will wait for Mr. Boom's instruction. Okay, and you have to keep your concern on Wednesday. There is a lot of important news, that means this day is very important days. Okay, and for Thursday we have 2 time USD major news and 2 time USD semi major news, so you have to also keep your concern on that day. Okay, and for Friday, this is the most powerful day on May. Okay, most powerful day on May, so you have to keep your concern on non-firm, that means NFP. This is most powerful news on whole month. So if you have never traded yet, so you must have to experience that. And if you are newbie in this section, you may try a demo account, or you may follow our live trade on YouTube and Facebook also, so you may learn how to trade on news. Okay, So hopefully all things clear now. If you have any more query or any more question about the analysis, you may join a public telegram channel, or you may ask our admin on telegram, or you may comment here. Okay. And there is a lot of geopolitical issues coming around the world. That means China's and US and China tariff and something like that. You may already know that if you are involved in trading, so you have to keep your concern those geopolitical issues too. Okay, otherwise only for this news market are not prepared for trading. Only you cannot trade depend on just a economic calendar. Okay, you have to keep your concern what is happening around the world, then you can create a good amount or good pips, or you can bring good pips from the market. Okay, so hopefully all things clear now. For more update or more query, you may join our public telegram, link in the description below. And Mr. Moon signing out.
Started with a drink and $1 in my hand. Now the screens are flashing like I planned. Signals rolling in like a winning land. Riding waves of fortune.